Okay. So good morning, class. We welcome you to Good Samaritan Science Online class, and we were doing chapter number 6, physical and chemical changes. In that, we read about the differences between physical and chemical changes, and we also came across through reversible and irreversible changes, which we studied in class 6. Remember that? And we read about the examples of physical and chemical changes. Physical changes, it will deal mostly with the physical properties like size, shape, texture, state. So yesterday I cleared your doubts about state. Solid, liquid and gas medium is, it comes under state. Okay. And then we studied about chemical changes. Examples we studied like burning of wood. These are chemical changes. The main difference between chemical change and physical changes, new substances are formed in chemical changes, but in physical changes, no new substances are formed. So in this chapter, mainly we will be seeing the examples of chemical changes. So one chemical changes we already saw, that is burning of magnesium ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to share you the NCERT screen. So I think I'm having some problem. Oh my god. Are you able to see screen? What is it showing?
Physical and chemical chapter.
Physical and chemical changes.
Ruko,
The
ruko.
first page of chapter
First
number
page.
6.
Yeah, you are able to say first pages. So okay. जरा कोई लिखना बेटा. रिदा तुम लिखो जरा. रिदा type something.
Okay.
Yes, it is Nitin and Pooja writing.
Ma'am, in the screen.
Now Sardar Mohammed is writing. Askaman is writing. Preeti is writing. Rida. Okay. So now I can see your names. ठीक है. Naushin has written. Vasi has written. Okay. अच्छा diagram बना लिया आप लोगों ने. ना? So if you will do it, so अभी नहीं, बाद में आप लोगों का marks काटा जाएगा. Okay. So now let me rub it. Are you able to write now? Try writing.
Yes.
नहीं हो रहा है?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
I
ma'am.
disabled now. Now you cannot write. और अगर आपने लिखा भी तो मुझे नाम पता चल जाएगा. Okay.
Ma'am, in chapter 6, I like crystal of copper sulfate. Ma'am,
Okay, yeah. That in 12th standard they will teach you how to make it. You will yourself make it, but you cannot do it in class 7. So that we will try to
Ma'am,
learn.
it is very interesting.
Yes, that is very interesting.
Now I know how to make crystal.
You know how to make crystals?
Yes, ma'am. In
Yes.
6th
I mean,
we
you.
have learned.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday I see from YouTube.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I also.
You saw in the YouTube.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. So let us start today's class. So as today we talked a lot, isn't it? So anyway, we need communication with each other also so that we can know each other better. Yeah. So this we have done. I think you have read in your NCERT also, isn't it? So these all things, chemical changes you have done, and I have sent you video also. So this is the page you are going to refer when you are writing the activity. Okay. So when I have sent you the activity, if you have any spelling problem, please write from here so that you can complete the activity. So this is our new experiment. We will be seeing it here. This is our new experiment. What are we going to do it? Nitin and Pooja, are you having book with you? Book है? So can you read it? उसको switch on कर दो. So can you read activity 6.7? What is the page? Can somebody tell? Page is 61. Page 61, everybody take it. And you read. Others, you can mute yourself and Pooja will be reading. Every day, next time what I will do, I will tell you to read according to your roll number. So right now I'm not having roll numbers. So next time I will tell each and everyone to read in the Zoom class. So activity 6.7, have you written? Taken? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So others, please mute yourself and she's going to read it. So yes, read it.
Activity 6.7 to be demonstrated by the teacher. Dissolve about a transpool of copper sulfate, blue vitrol or nila
Tota. Nila tota.
about half a cup of water in a glass tumbler or a beaker. Add a few drops of dilute
Sulfuric acid.
dilute sulfuric acid to be the solution. You should get a blue colored solution. Save a small sample of the solution in a test tube or a small glass bottle. Drop a nail or a used shaving blade into the remaining solution. Wait for half an hour or so. Observe the color of the solution. Compare it with the color of the sample solution saved separately.
Okay, that's it. Thank you, Pooja. So all of you must have seen on the screen also. So I was underlining, and when you are reading your book, you can underline in your book also. Those who are having book. So thank you, Pooja. So you what you are going to do? This is your beaker. Okay, you will take a beaker, and you will take copper sulfate powder, that is blue vitriol or nila tota. Have you seen copper sulfate powder in your 6th standard? Did your teacher, I think Tanglakshmi ma'am must have shown you when you were doing, components of food activity. In that there is an experiment. Yes. So copper sulfate is very beautiful color in blue color. Can you see my this sofa set cushions? This is blue color. Yes. So this color,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the color of your copper sulfate powder. So beautiful blue color. And what you're going to do it, you will take powder of copper sulfate and you will mix with half cup of water or glass tumbler or a beaker. You can do at home, but you need copper sulfate. But copper sulfate is not available. So generally we do it in laboratory. And with chemicals, we should be very careful. We should not handle with our hands, and we have to rub on our cheeks. We should eat with the same hands. So it is very dangerous. So we should not play with chemicals. So you are taking copper sulfate and you are adding water in it. And what we are adding one more chemical, that is one acid, that is sulfuric acid. Did you understand? Sulfuric acid. So what is sulfuric acid? So sulfuric acid, you must have studied in chapter number 5, acid, bases and salts. So they are acids. So you should not taste it. You should not taste it to see, oh, this is sour in taste or not. So some acids, they are present in your food. So this is not present in your food item. This is a laboratory chemical. You should not taste it. So they are very, very harmful. So you must have seen it in a movie. I remember one movie called Chapak, where, actress called Deepika Padukone has acted. You know that movie?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that movie,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, somebody throws acid on her face. So it is that dangerous. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So these sulfuric acid are very, very dangerous. So there are two types of acids. One is dilute sulfuric acid. Another one is concentrated sulfuric acid. I repeat, dilute sulfuric acid. It is not dilute. Okay, it is not dil. Sometime in your book it will be written DIL dot. So some students, they read dil sulfuric acid. No, it is not dil. It is not your heart. It is actually dilute. So it is short form. It is written DIL. Okay. So this is dilute sulfuric acid. Another one is concentrated sulfuric acid. So in concentrated sulfuric acid, what happens? There will be no addition of water. So it is, very, very dangerous, and there will be no water, only the acid will be present. For example, when you are actually, washing your clothes. So after you wash your clothes, many times you put comfort or many times you put ujala, है ना? डालते हैं white कपड़ों में. तो क्या आप सारा आप उजाला को ही डाल देते हो? बहुत सारा एक बॉटल डाल देते हो? क्या डालते हो? क्या मिक्स करते हो?
No, ma'am.
What do you put inside that? You mix water. थोड़ा सा उजाला and you put lot of water in it, and then you mix it. So that is your dilute mixture. So if you are not mixing any water, that will be your concentrated mixture. So here dilute means little amount of water is added in the sulfuric acid, and the concentrated sulfuric acid, it will not be having any water, but both the acid will be dangerous. अब ये सोच लो कि हाँ, आप ये मत सोचना कि डाइल्यूट में तो वाटर ऐड हुआ तो उतना ज्यादा हार्मफुल नहीं होगा. नो, both the acids are harmful. So you can see here we are adding copper sulfate में हमने पानी डाला, and after adding water we are adding few drops of dilute sulfuric acid, 1 or 2 drops we will be adding. So what color we will get? We will get blue color solution because the copper sulfate powder is in blue color. And after getting the mixture of copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, what we are going to do? We are going to, put a nail, or we are going to put a shaving blade, or any material which is made up of iron. Am I clear? कोई भी चीज जो आयन से बना हो उसको हम उसके अंदर डाल देंगे और half an hour के लिए हम लोग वेट करेंगे. We will wait for half an hour and we will check what is the color. We will check the color of the solution. And what is the color of the solution? All of you say with me. The color of the solution is
Blue.
blue. Okay. And what we have added in it? क्या डाला है हम लोगों ने? We have added copper sulfate solution. Okay. And we will wait for half an hour. And what we will get after half an hour? We will see that if we have put a blade that was silver in color, what it will happen after half an hour? This particular silver color blade will turn into red or brown color. It will change into brown color, and this blue color solution, it will change into green color solution. Green color, not red color. Solution will change into green color, and the blade which was gray in color, that will change into brown color. Okay. So now what are the new materials? So I will show you here in the equation. All of you see here. Copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color. What did we add in it? Iron. What did we add in it? Iron. Okay. Iron blade we can add it, or iron nail we can add it. Stapler pins you can add it. Anything which is made up of iron we can add it. And arrow means becomes, means after reaction what we will get, what it will become. The color of the solution which was blue initially, now it will change into green color. Why it is green color? Because there is a new substance formed. What is the new substance? Iron sulfate solution. Did you understand? What is iron sulfate solution? This is another new substance formed. With that iron sulfate solution, there is another substance formed that is called copper. So copper deposit will be seen on this blade. And what is the color of that copper? Brown deposit. Did you understand? So now,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, beta, tell me. Yes. Did somebody have doubt? Is anybody having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the color of the new solution? Tell me. What is the color of the new solution? No, color of the solution. पानी वाले कलर का क्या? ग्रीन. ठीक है. उसके अंदर क्या क्या मिला हुआ है? कॉपर सल्फेट पाउडर, वाटर और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड was added. So you can see the color change will be green color. Okay, and that green color will be because of a new substance formation. What is the substance name? That is the name iron sulfate. Can you see here? Iron sulfate, that is greenish in color. And what is the color on the blade? Brown deposit. And now it is called as copper. So I will tell you a trick to remember this formula. See, you can say copper sulfate solution plus iron. How you will remember it? So what you will do? You will combine this iron with the sulfate. You will combine the iron with the sulfate. So it will become iron sulfate solution. And this copper is, now left out alone. So you can put it here. Did you understand? In higher class, in next class, in class 8, you will be studying about displacement reaction. Okay, what is displacement reaction? So what it will do? The iron will kick the copper away and it will join with the sulfate solution. So many a times what will happen? Sometimes you are having a lot of friends. So one good friend or a, bad friend, what it will do? It will kick your good friend from your group and it will join in your group, and your good friend will be alone over here. So it is just an example to make you understand. So you can understand that this is chemical change. Why it is chemical change? Chemical changes may we get new substances. What are the new substances over here? Iron sulfate and copper. Am I clear, all of you? Did you understand about this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So we will stop here. No, you did not understand this activity? Okay, so we will stop here. We will study only one topic. Today, you have to read page number 61 and 62. Okay, so tomorrow we will be studying about 61 and 62. You have to read this, and later we will do the other topics, because this is very all the chemical changes, lot of reactions, so you need to learn all these things very carefully. So all of you switch on your videos. So 2 activities only we have studied, so I am going very slow so that you can understand, everybody can understand. The first activity was burning of magnesium ribbon. किसी को डाउट है बर्निंग ऑफ मैग्नीशियम रिबन में?
No, ma'am.
यस.
No, ma'am.
किसी को डाउट है कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन वाले एक्सपेरिमेंट में, एक्टिविटी
No,
में?
ma'am.
So I am trying to go to school on Saturday and I will do that experiment in school and I will make video, और आप YouTube में भी देख सकते हो and you can see that experiment. Okay?
Will be school reopen?
School will not reopen right now. Okay, there are a lot of
Ma'am, for
problems.
9th to 12th.
No. I don't think so. It will reopen for right now. For our school, I think it will not reopen right now. Okay. So let me finish it first. So copper sulfate solution में, what are the substances we are adding in the beaker? We will take a beaker. We will add copper sulfate powder, and then we will add water. Then we will add dilute sulfuric acid, which is dangerous, and then we will put iron nail or any iron material, and we will leave for half an hour. What will be the color change? Initially it was blue in color. Now it will be in green color. What is the color change on the iron nail? It will become brown color. So can you understand? These are the new substances formed over here. That is why it is called a chemical change. तो अभी मैंने आपको जो एक्टिविटी भेजा है, प्लीज स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट. अभी आपके पास 2 मिनट है, तो आप लोग अभी मुझे करके काम करके आप भेजोगे, नहीं तो आराम से थोड़ा 10-15 मिनट रिलैक्स कर लीजिए, and you can send it to me by 1 o'clock or 1:30.